flood warning for southwestern Franklin County in western Maine, northwestern Oxford County in western Maine, east central Coos County in northern New Hampshire, until 11:30 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area or about to enter the warned area in Maine. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Berlin, Rangeley, Andover, Merrill, Grafton, Dickville, Weld, Phillips, Stratford and Gorham. This includes the following rec locations: Umbagog Lake State Park, Saddleback Mountain, Pontoon Reservoir, Dixville Notch State Park, Percy Peaks, Milan Hill, Jericho Mountain, Six Ass Pond, Old Blue Mountain, Bemis Mountain and Elephant Mountain.